Hi and welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this rose brightening face and body wash. So to get started with this rose brightening face and body wash, I'm going to wash my rose petals. And those rose, I've had it for 2 weeks, but I kept it in the fridge, and if you notice, some of them are frozen, so I try to pick out some. Then the next thing is to wash it in a clean water, as I'm doing at this point. After washing it, I put it in a clean pot and I added 400 grams of distilled water, and I placed it on a low heat. And after placing it on a low heat, I heat it up for like 5 to 10 minutes, and this is what it is at this point. After heating it up, then with my strainer, I strain the rose water. So at this point, this is the rose water. The next is to measure out the one I need for this face brightening wash. Then I measure out 150 grams of rose water, and as usual in my videos, I will display the measurements and ingredients on the screen as you watch this video. Please watch to the end so that you take note of everything I used. So the first surfactant I'm using is SCI. I use 30 grams for it. This is a mild surfactant and is always used in baby products. Then after mixing it, and make sure it dissolves properly in the rose water. At this point, it's completely dissolved. Then the next is to add my papaya juice. Then after adding my papaya juice, I mix very well. Then next, I'm adding my cocoa bean, is a surfactant as well. So I'm adding it to this body wash. And after adding my papaya, my cocoa bean, the next is glucoside, and is also a mild surfactant, always used in baby wash as well. Then I mix all to combine the ingredients. And the next, added my papaya oil, 10 grams of papaya oil. And now I have my glycerin and xanthan gum clear measured out. At this point, I'm mixing my glycerin and xanthan gum. This will serve as a thickener for this rose brightening face and body wash. So after mixing both together, I add it to the rose mixture. Then make sure I mix it. And at this point, after mixing my xanthan gum and glycerin, I'm checking the pH. So with checking the pH, I have to dip the pH strip, and look, this is what we have. The pH is between 5 and 6, which is perfect for this formulation. And after that, I added my rose extract. I will drop the link to the video on how I made the rose extract. You can watch that video to make the rose extract. So guys, at this point, our rose brightening face and body wash is ready, and this body wash, face and body wash, is mild and doesn't strip the natural oil off your skin. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share my videos, like them, and subscribe if you've not done so for more interesting videos to come. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.